Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to Google Forms Gallery. This is a fantastic way to quickly create professional forms without starting from scratch, saving you time and effort, whether you're collecting event registrations, gathering feedback, or managing educational surveys. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create and manage your forms. This step is essential as it ensures all your forms are saved and accessible from your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Template Gallery option. Click on it to explore the wide variety of pre-designed templates that Google offers. This gallery is incredibly useful as it provides ready-made structures for different purposes, eliminating the need to build everything manually. Once you're in the template gallery, you'll notice several categories to choose from. These include personal contact information, event registration, work, event feedback, customer feedback, and education. Each category contains templates specifically designed for those purposes, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Browse through these options and select your preferred template gallery by clicking on it. The template will automatically load, giving you a solid foundation to work with. Now, if you want to customize your form by adding more questions, click on the last question in your template. You'll see a right panel appear with several options. In this panel, click the plus sign to add a new question. This feature allows you to expand your form with additional fields tailored to your specific needs. Next, you'll want to specify what type of answer you're looking for. Click the drop-down menu that appears and select Short Answer from the list. This format is perfect for collecting brief, specific information like names, titles, or single-line responses that don't require lengthy explanations. In the question field that appears, type organization/company name. This creates a clear prompt for respondents to provide their business or organizational affiliation, which can be particularly useful for professional or event-related forms where you need to track participants by their company. Before you finalize and share your form, it's important to see how it will look to your respondents. In the upper right corner, click the Preview button. This allows you to test the template gallery form and ensure everything appears correctly, all questions are clear, and the flow makes sense from a user's perspective. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized a template in Google Forms Gallery. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.